Today, I'll show you how to create a Microsoft Bookings page from scratch so you can start taking online appointments quickly and efficiently. We'll go through the entire setup together, step by step, and by the end, you'll have a working booking page that you can share with others. First, open Microsoft Bookings. When you land on the Bookings homepage, look for the section labeled Shared Booking Pages. This is where you'll manage any booking pages that are available to multiple people or a team, rather than just a single individual. In that Shared Booking Pages section, click the Create button. This starts the process of building a brand new page. You'll be taken into a setup area where you'll first handle the basics. When prompted, choose the option to create from scratch. This tells Microsoft Bookings that you want to start with a clean slate instead of using any templates or existing configurations. Next, you'll be asked to enter a name for the booking page. This could be a team, a department, a project, or a service area. For example, you might use something like Biology Research Group, IT Support Desk, or Student Advising Office. Pick a clear, descriptive name so people instantly understand what the page is for when they open it or see it in an email. You'll also have the option to upload a logo. This is a great way to make your page look professional and recognizable. Use a simple square image if possible, such as your organization's logo or a relevant icon. After you upload it, check that it looks sharp and not blurry, because that logo may appear on confirmation emails and on the booking page itself. Once the basics are set, it's time to add staff to your booking page. This step is important when you have more than one person providing services or taking appointments. In the staff section, search for people within your organization by typing their names or email addresses. As you add each person, you'll need to assign a role. You have two main roles to choose from. The first is administrator. Administrators can edit all settings for the booking page. That includes changing business hours, modifying services, adjusting scheduling rules, and managing other staff. You should give this role only to people who are responsible for managing how the booking system works. The second role is team member. A team member can be booked for appointments but cannot change the settings of the booking page. This is ideal for staff who will simply receive bookings and attend the meetings without needing to manage the system itself. Carefully assigning these roles helps keep your page organized and secure and prevents accidental changes to your setup. Next, you'll define your services, which you can think of as the menu of appointments customers or colleagues can choose from. To do this, go to the services area and select Add New Service. Here, you'll create each type of appointment you offer. For example, you might add a consultation session, an onboarding meeting, or a follow-up review. For every service you add, you'll be able to set key details such as the name, duration, description, and which staff members can be booked for that service. Taking a moment to write clear, simple descriptions will help people pick the right option and reduce confusion later. After you've set up your services and confirmed your staff and basic details, you're ready to publish. Publishing makes your booking page live and shareable. Once it's published, you can send the booking link by email, add it to your website, or share it in internal channels so people can start booking time with you right away. And that's the complete process of creating a Microsoft Bookings page. Starting from the home page, setting your basics, adding staff with the right roles, defining your services, and finally publishing your page so it's ready to use.